If your app won't open and points to the Libxml Library DLL, the fix is closer than you think. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support specialist, and let's get you back to work. Before the technical guide for Libxml Library, I've linked a maintenance resource to help stabilize your background processes. This is the Libxml library, the Libxml2 C Parser library. It provides unmanaged routines for parsing, validating, and manipulating XML and HTML. It facilitates the orchestration of structured data link manifests for software configuration and web-based data exchanges. Now that you have the context, let's move into the repair process with a fresh installation. The quickest way to restore functionality is a reinstall of GNOME XML Parser. Download both the x86 and x64 Visual C++ redistributables from Microsoft and run the installers to clear the error. If the error persists despite the new library files, we must verify if a simple synchronization conflict is preventing the file from loading. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing Libxml library message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. Restarting is our first line of defense. Since that didn't clear it, we'll dive into more specific settings in step 3, and if you need to pause the video to catch up, go right ahead. If you're still seeing that runtime message post-restart, it's time to reinstall the shared library components. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Beyond the repair, maintaining a secure workstation requires avoiding a few common technical mistakes. Be highly suspicious of any site that recommends disabling your endpoint protection to install Libxml Library DLL, as this is a standard red flag for malicious software injection. For a reliable way to monitor these specific library interactions, I've included a professional resource link in the description. For users interested in automation concepts, the maintenance and repair kit linked below provides background information on managing Libxml library. If we successfully synchronize the missing library for Libxml library today, liking this video helps others find the solution. Subscribe for professional tech support,